Alright, you like my new hat? I got these on the website if you want one. Anyway, I'm you know, still messing with this 25, so like this thing will not turn. I mean, it won't turn at all. So I drained it, right? And that's what we found. So unfortunately, all down in there, some other oil residue, but this was all white. So that's unfortunate. And I talked to him. I'm gonna have to pull that lower unit, I believe, and crack her open. See what we can figure out. I think I got another lower unit I can throw on it, but I thought about that. It's like, man, really, like I want to keep it. So I might even like clean this motor up because it's really greasy under here. Get out some super clean, you know, maybe afterwards or something. I don't know. But the only thing to do with it is just crack it open, you know. Like I could take some Marvel Mystery Oil. I got some of that out here, and I could fill it up. You know, at least part way might help it. You know, you can squirt some stuff down in there and kind of drain all of this crap out. But I think something's going on maybe with the bearing. I think the bearing is either in there too tight or it's bad. And I don't know, maybe we can press it off and we can get a new bearing. I really don't know until I take it all apart. So